Hello guys, so may bagong update ngayon si YouTube. So yan, kung makikita nyo, on May 12, 2025 to improve your earnings, Potential will add auto add slots on top of manual on existing videos. You can choose to continue managing your ad slots manually. So yan, no. Click mo lang yung manage dyan sa baba sa nakikita mo. Yan sa caption dyan sa taas. So, manage. So, yan. Manage mid-roll add slots on existing videos. So, starting daw sa May 12 will improve mid-roll quality by showing more ads at natural breakpoints. This will reduce the number of mid-roll ads shown in interruptive ad slots, such as those in middle of a sentence. We believe that showing fewer interruptive ads will result in more views and increase the overall revenue opportunity for creators. So to prepare for this change, we recommend that you turn on automatic slots for your existing videos and will work with your existing manual ad slots, creating new opportunities to show mid-rolls ads when we stop showing them in uninterrupted points in videos. So if you prepare to manage your ad slots manually, you can operate out of automatic ad slots on your existing videos. So until May 12, 2025. Turn on automatic in slots in addition to your manual ad slots recommended. Out of additional automatic ad slots and continue managing manually. So click lang natin yung save. So yan, so antay tayo ng review, no. Starting on May 12, automatic ad slots will added to your video that contain manual mid-roll ad slots. So yan yung bagong update ni YouTube ngayon. So para tumaas yung ating revenue. So revenue natin ngayon is $5.62. So yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Thank you and goodbye. Bye-bye.